you fill me up? Okay, so I give you a direction on how to play that game. So I will have the teacher will play the music. And then I will have a cup here, and then I'm gonna put this cup in the first step, and then while the music continue playing, so you can transfer or pass it to your seatmates. And when the music is stopped, and then if the cup is on your hand, you're gonna be the one who answered the question that was presented here in front. Okay, let me give me my cell phone, Arnel. Okay, the attendance so that I know who are the students absent and present today. So let me check first. You can say present and raise your right hand if you are here. So Abandera Arnel, Kalyura, Isma, Lingan, Labajo, Ibatados, Lacorte, Linku Sanan, Sisles, Kalisa, Tipay, Planas, Giralya, Linos, Mangiran, Rizalado,
Present.
Recorder, Kisel, and Castellon. So I know that a lot of you yesterday knows, or a lot of learnings what you learned yesterday about the discussion that was reported to Miss Kalyura. And now